How to fix power surge on the USB port error. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to head toward the Start menu. Right click on the Windows icon you see in the taskbar. From the menu, go to Device Manager. In Device Manager, at the bottom you will see Port option. Click on any one of it. Go to Property. At the top, choose the option of Power Management. Make sure Allow the computer to turn off the device to save power is toggled on. Now follow the step for all the three ports. And just like that, you will be able to fix your issue. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.